Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to learn about circle command. For taking circle command, we can type the name of command circle, or we can use the shortcut key C enter, or we can go to ribbon menu, home, then we go to draw panel, and from there we can take circle tools. Let's see how we can take circle options. So first, I'll type the command name in the command area, CIRCLE, enter. Now, when we take a circle, it will give you the option specify center point for circle or 3P, 2P, TTR means tangent and radius. So initially, we'll just specify a center point on the screen where we need to make a circle, and what size of circle we have to make, we'll just specify. I said I want to make 10 radius circle, enter. So like this, the circle we have created, that is about 10 radius. Or you can take it by C, enter, shortcut. Again, click on the screen to specify the center point and define radius as a 5 radius circle. Or you have lot of types are available. You can directly go to draw panel, and there we have lot of type like center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent radius, and tangent circle. So first, initially I'll take from here also center radius. We'll click here center radius, and we'll click on the screen and we'll specify the radius value. I said I want to take a radius of 15. Like this, I have made 3 circles. Now, for making more circles, we can take by shortcuts also, or we can directly take from the panel. Now, let me show you first by the shortcut, then we'll see from the panel. So I'll type C, enter. Now, I want to make a diameter circle. For that, we just click on the screen. After clicking on the screen, you read it's asking specify radius of circle or diameter. So in diameter, we'll type D, enter, and we'll specify the diameter value. I said diameter value, like for example, I want to make a 30 diameter circle. I'll put 30 and enter. Or the same circle I can also make by taking from here. I'll take center diameter. We'll click on this. We'll click on the screen, and now we can directly put the diameter we have to give. So I said I want to make a diameter of 45, enter. Next, we have next option is called 2 points. So if you want to make a circle between any two objects, we can select the 2 points and we can make a circle. For example, I'll just make one simple line of 20 distance. We'll consider the end point of the line as the 2 points. We'll take C, enter. We'll take from here 2P. That means 2 points. We click first point and the second point, or we can also make from the tool panel 2 point. We click first point and second point. So any 2 points you can select. Like for example, I'll take some point here to the coordinate of circle and the next coordinate of this circle. Like this, I have made circle between 2 points. Next, we have more types. The circle by using 3-point method. Let's see how to make. So let me generate something which will have 3 points. I'll make one line here, like 25 distance, and I'll make one more line around 20 distance. I'll make touch here, and this to be touch here. So let me make one copy of this. So I can take the option C, enter, and choose the option from the bottom 3P. We'll click third 3 points, 1, 2, and 3. Or the same option, we can take it from here also, 3 point, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Like here, we have one more circle type that is not available in the shortcut, that is called TTT, means tangent. You type C, enter, you see there's not available tangent, but tangent radius is there. So I want to take tangent, that will be available here. So we'll click on that tangent, and tangent. We'll click on that. Like I have to specify 3 tangents. I'll say this one tangent, this is my second tangent, this is my third tangent. Like this, you can make circle by touching 3 things and you can give a tangency. So you can make anywhere. Like I want to make one circle to fit here. Between all 3 circles, I'll take 1, 2, and 3. So like this, my circle will be touching all 3 circles. This is how I maintain the tangency. Next one, we have like tangent, tangent and radius. So like if you have a specified area where you have to make tangent and plus giving a radius, you can make that. Let me make this is to be 10 distance line and this to be 10 distance line. So I know that a line that I'm having around 10 distance, so the radius maximum I can take up to 10. So I'll go to an option here. I'll take tangent, tangent radius. Now we have to first give the tangent. I said this is my tangent and this is my second tangent. Now we have to specify the radius of the circle. I said I want to make a 6 radius circle, like that I'll put it. So like this, anywhere where we don't able to add fillets, in that cases the area is less, we can add by the circles that fillet kind of areas, we can make it easily. Same thing we can do by the shortcuts also. We'll type C enter. We'll take this option from here, TTR, and we'll select first tangent, second tangent, and specify the radius. Let me take 8 radius. So this is how it will be fit there. And further, I said I need only that arc portion, like that we can keep it. So this is how we can use the type of circle option